I'm here to introduce you to Remarkable Retention Plus Eyelash Extension Adhesive from Simple Lashes. There are some things that make this adhesive truly remarkable. It's a revolutionary formula that has the longest retention we've ever seen. It also has a silky, smooth, lightweight texture to it, so it dries very light. It's environmentally friendly as we've changed out one polymer that contains plastic for another. It also works in all humidities. And like all Simple Lashes adhesive, everything in the bottle is beauty grade. So it's healthy, cleaner, with amazing retention. Here's some science behind Remarkable Retention Plus adhesive. It's still a cyanocrylate based adhesive, but we've changed the polymer from PMMA, which is a plastic based polymer, to PVAC, which is a cleaner polymer that doesn't contain plastic. And here's the result. We found much longer retention, and for many clients who have a sensitivity to PMMA, much less sensitivity. The other thing that happened when we switched out the polymer is the color of the adhesive, which we'll show you later on in the video. For some people, based on the temperature of the room, it's going to be a very light gray or clear with black specks in it. And for others in a warmer climate, it's going to be a lighter gray color, but don't worry, it dries black. Let's talk about the environment that we're going to be working in, because here's where a lot of us struggle. Temperature is key when working with Remarkable Retention Plus. So our ideal temperature is going to be 68 to 72 degrees. If we're working in a warmer room, we're going to have a slower set time. So really try to keep your temperature within that range and you should be fine. It works in all humidities. So remember, when working with Remarkable Retention Plus, we want to look at temperature over humidity. Here's how to use Remarkable Retention Plus adhesive to get the longest retention. It's going to have a stronger settlement, so you need to shake really well, at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then you want to do what we call clearing the chamber. Dispense a drop that you're going to dispose of. Then you're ready to dispense a drop in whatever you use to lash in. So after shaking really well, you're going to dispense a drop into whatever you use. This was not shaken really well, so it's a lighter gray color. This is not going to be a jet black adhesive, but if we reshake it and mix the settlement in the bottle, it's going to be a little darker gray. Don't be alarmed by the color. It's just part of using a different polymer. Here's the beauty of this adhesive. Even if it's a lighter gray, medium gray, a little darker gray, it's going to dry black. So you're going to pick up, dip the adhesive, place it, and in a second or two, once it cures, it will go into a black color. You will not see the gray on the lashes. So remember, Remarkable Retention Plus is the longest retention we've ever seen, but you need to do things a little differently to get that retention. Here are some testimonials from some of our customers who've been using this adhesive. If you want to read them in full, you can pause the video, but just some of the highlights are that some of our customers who were getting 2 weeks retention are now going 4 weeks. As we know as lash artists, that's huge. It's also the best adhesive they've ever used. So these are some things that we are really proud of with this adhesive. This testimonial is really important. I know sometimes when people are struggling with environment and retention, it can really hurt your business. So being able to provide a product that can help people's business thrive and grow is really important to us. So remember to hit the subscribe button and follow us here for more tips and tricks and updates on products. And you can also go to sinfullashes.com and see all the products in our lineup On Instagram, we're at sinful_lashes, TikTok, Sinful Lashes LA, Facebook, Sinful Lashes LA, and you can email us at info@sinfullashes.com. Thank you for watching.